In this video, I'm going to show you how to make another Gmail account. So you can see right here, I'm currently signed in to my main Gmail account, and I'm going to show you how we can create a second or even a third account for Gmail. Now, the first thing you want to do is from this page, we can just click on our profile icon in the top right hand side. And from here, we can select show more accounts. Now at the bottom, just go and press add another account. So that will take us over to this sign in page, and if we've already got another Google account that you want to sign into, then you can just enter the details here. But to actually go and create a second account, we can just select create account at the bottom of this page, and then select either personal use, child, or for your work or business. I'm going to click on personal use. You can then go and enter your first and also your last name. Click on next. You'll then simply need to enter your date of birth, go and select your gender, and press next. Now we can create a username for this Gmail account. So you can use a series of both letters and numbers, and as long as the username is available, we can press next. Now go and create a password for your new Gmail account. You'll also need to confirm this password by typing it in twice. Now once you've done this, you can just go and press next, and there should be just one or two more steps that you need to go and complete. Typically, you'll need to enter either a phone number or a backup email address, and you can usually have multiple Gmail accounts registered to one phone number. Sometimes it does restrict this if you make too many accounts in a short period of time, but once you've followed all of these steps, you'll be signed in to your second Gmail account. You can always switch between accounts in the top right hand side. You can just click on the show more accounts button, and you can switch between your different Gmail accounts. So that's it guys, let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.